Shotton County, northwestern Guernsey County, northeastern Muskingum County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dresden, or 8 miles north of Zanesville, moving east at 35 miles.
Jeez.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, exposed damage to roof. Planning.
Alright, the reception's bad, but I just got a severe thunderstorm warning for the counties that you heard. That was received from the National Weather Service in I believe Pittsburgh. Just as I was about to go up to the shower. So hopefully one doesn't happen while I'm there.